viewers, welcome to my channel. I am Sannappa Rajan. Okay, so today we are going to see a configuration for a 4 to 20 milliampere analog input and to control a output of 4 to 20 milliampere with VFD. Okay, so this was requested by one of our subscriber, Mr. Mark from UK. Okay, so we will see how we can configure this. Okay, now example, we have analog input from a VCD volume control damper. Okay, which is giving 4 to 20 milliampere analog input, and we have air handling unit connected with the VFD. Okay, so basically when the VCD is open below 50 percentage, this AHU with VFD will run 25 percentage of the speed. Okay, once this VCD is opened more than 50 percentage, then the AHU will run in 50% speed. Once this VCD opens more than 75%, then the AHU will run in full speed. Okay, with control of 4 to 20 milliampere. So we will see how we can make this configuration. New. We'll go with function block diagram. Okay, now we will take analog input. This is VCD input. VCD. Now so we will scale our analog input. So for scaling analog input, I have made one video how to scale analog input in my previous videos. If somebody has doubt, please refer that video, or please check that video. If any doubt, please let me know. So now our sensor is 4 to 20 milliampere. Okay, so our VCD will give analog input 4 to 20 milliampere, which is 0 to 100 percentage open and close. Okay, so once this VCD is open 100 percentage, so we will get 20 milliampere. If it is closed in 0 percentage, so we will get 4 milliampere. That means 4 to 20 milliampere we will get. Okay. So normally our VCD is opened below 50 percentage. Our VFD should run in 25 percentage. Once it's open above 50 percentage, our VFD should run 50 percentage. Once it's open above 75 percentage, then it should run in full speed. So this is our configuration we want to make. Okay, so now we'll make 50 percentage. Okay, so our analog input is 4 to 20 milliampere. So we have made 4 milliampere to 0 and 20 milliampere to 1000. We are keeping our minimum maximum level. Okay, that means if VCD is open 50 percentage, so we will get value of 500. Okay, we will keep safe level 1050. If you keep 1000 value, so once this VCD open full open in full 100 percentage, so we will get 1000, so it may get off. Okay, so for safe level we are keeping 1150 for off. Okay, now we will scale one more, 4 to 20 milliampere. So now if it is open above 75 percentage, then it should run full speed. Okay, that 75 percentage means 750. This off level also we will keep high level, off level in 1050. Okay, now we will connect analog value for output. Okay, we will take analog mux block where we can give different values to our output. Okay, so this block will, you can keep 4 levels of value to your output. Okay, this has 2 inputs where v1 and v2. Okay, so v1, this has 4 value, you can give 4 values. It has 2 input connection, one s1 and s2. Okay, here we have combination. If s1 and s2 is both 0, you can keep some keep some value, so as output. And the second value, s1 is 0, s2 is 1. If this condition is okay, then it will trigger one more value. So there are 4 values. Okay, you can give to our analog outputs. Okay, so now we need 3 values where the VCD is below 50%, it should run to 25%. If it is above 50, then it should give 50%. If it is above 750, then it should give full value. Okay, so we have configured two blocks, one is above 50 and one is above 75. That means we need one value where both are 0. Okay, so if both are 0, that means below 50 we can give 25%. Okay, 25% means it is 250. Then if it is above 50, once the VCD is opened above 50, that means one value will be on and another value, this is 75%, so this will be off. So we will take s1 s1 1 and s2 is 0. So here we will give 50%, that means 500. If both is switch on, that means if it is 75%, then 50 also will on, the 75 also will on, then that means s1 and s2. Here we will give full value 1000. Okay, so now we will see how it is working. Okay, so you can connect a external on off switch also. Okay, which is digital input from auto command or on command. Okay, now we will connect analog output. Okay, so we will configure our analog output also. Our analog output is 4 to 20 milliampere. Okay, AQ1. Now we made our configuration. Now we will check. Okay, so now it is on. You will give value. Okay, so now our VCD is open below 50%. So we have output of 25%. That means 20 the VFD will run in 25%. This 250 is converted to 4 to 20 milliampere from module to VFD. So this will convert it to milliampere and it will be given to VFD. Okay, so you have to configure your VFD, which will take a speed reference of 4 to 20 milliampere. Okay, and also please kindly note, in analog input module also you have to connect in a current input terminal as well as output also. You have to connect current output terminal. Okay, so you will have two terminal optional. One is for voltage input, one is for current input. Okay, so you have to connect accordingly. If you connect your current input to voltage input or voltage input to current input, and it will not work. Also, once you connect your current input, you have to make sure whether you are connecting 0 to 0 to 20 milliampere or 4 to 20 milliampere. So you have to configure accordingly. Okay, now as I told you, okay, our VCD is opened below 50%. So our AHU is running in 25% of the speed. Okay, now our VCD is so opened above 50%. below 75%. That means the VCD is opened like 50 to 70, between 50 to 75% speed. So as per our program, our VBAH should run in 50% speed. That means 500 value. This will be converted to milliampere, and it will given to VFD. So this VFD will run in 50% of the speed. Okay, so now we will open our VCD above 75%. Okay, now you see our VCD is opened above 75%. Now as per our program, the VFD will run in full speed. That means this 1000 value will be converted to 20 milliampere. That will be given to VFD as a speed reference. Then the VFD will run accordingly. Okay, once you close your VCD below 50%, it will go again 25%. If you open above 50%, it will run in 50%. Okay, this is how you can control your 4 to 20 milliampere analog input as well as 4 to 20 milliampere analog output. Okay, so I hope you understand this configuration. Okay, and if you have any doubt, please let me know through comment. Okay, and if you are new for my channel, please do subscribe for more videos. I will meet you in next video with different subject. Till then, bye from Sanap.